Welcome back to Byte Nihongo. In this lesson, we're learning the 5 Japanese vowels a, I, U, E, O. These 5 sounds form the foundation of all Japanese pronunciation. Unlike English, Japanese vowels are simple, clean, and consistent. They never change, stretch, or glide. Each vowel has only one sound, every single time. Let's begin. The first vowel is a. It sounds like as in father. Keep it short and open. Repeat after me. A. Next is I. It sounds like E, as in see. But remember, it is very short in Japanese. Repeat. I. The third vowel is U. This one is different from English. It's not oo, like in the word food. And it's not U, like in the word cute. It's a light, unrounded U, almost like saying oh, but without pushing your lips forward. Repeat. U. The fourth vowel is E. It sounds like as in bed. Short, flat, and clear. Repeat. E. And the final vowel is O. It sounds like O, but again, short and crisp, not long like in English. Repeat. O. Now, let's say them together. A, I, U, E, O. Repeat. A, I, U, E, O. These 5 vowels do not change. Every Japanese word you learn is built from these exact 5 sounds. Mastering them will make your pronunciation natural from the very beginning. In the next lesson, we will combine these vowels with consonants to build the basic Japanese sounds like ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, and many more. Great work today! Continue to the next video, and let's keep mastering Japanese pronunciation together.